What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set or change folder path for screen recordings in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, scroll down and click on screenshots and screen recordings. And then in screenshots and screen recordings, scroll down and here click on save screen recordings in option. Now from here you can change the folder path for screen recordings. So just simply tap on internal storage. Now here you can create a new folder or you can select a old folder. So from here you can tap on any folder to select as the screen recording saving folder. Now if you want to create a new folder, then tap on this add icon. Now give a name to your folder. And after giving a name, tap on create. When the folder is created, tap on the folder and then tap on done. So now you can see the screen recording folder is now changed. So that's how you can set or change folder path for screen recordings in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.